Welcome to JSI. We hope you're enjoying your new refrigerated store fixture. In this short video, we will demonstrate the proper preventative maintenance to ensure your new refrigerated fixture will have a long and productive life. Prior to doing any work or cleaning your unit, please ensure that it is turned off by flipping the main power switch to the off position and unplugging the unit. The first step in making sure your unit will be running correctly is to ensure that the filter and condenser coil are cleaned on a monthly basis. If your unit has a full wood wrap on it, you will need to take some of the wood paneling off. In order to remove the wood, you will need a screwdriver to remove the screws holding the wood panels on. Once you have access to the air intake for the condensing unit, you may notice a magnetic filter. If you do not see this magnetic filter, don't worry. Not all models come with one. This filter is easily removed by pulling the nylon strap on the side. The filter can be cleaned by vacuuming the debris off or by rinsing it underwater. If you have rinsed it underwater, please allow the filter to dry before putting it back in service. Now we can clean the condenser coil. In order to access the condenser coil, you will need to remove the front louver with a Phillips head screwdriver. Please be extremely careful when cleaning the condenser coil, as the fins can be very sharp. Now that your condenser coil is accessible, clean it by gently running a vacuum nozzle parallel to the coil fins. You may choose to use a medium bristle brush, but be careful not to accidentally push debris further into the fins. Once the coil has been cleaned, please reattach the front louver and the magnetic filter. Also reattach any wood paneling that has been removed. Next, it's important to ensure that the condensate drain from the evaporator coil is clean and free of debris. This should also be done on a monthly basis and always be done immediately prior to cleaning the condensate pan, which we will cover next. In order to access the drain, the unit will need to be unloaded of product. Once the unit is unloaded, remove the bottom metal pans to show the fans. In some models, such as the refrigerated orchard bin, the divider pans must be removed as well. Remember that not all units have divider pans. You will need to remove the pans at the back of the unit before you are able to disconnect the fans. Lift up and pull them away gently. Before attempting to disconnect the fans, once again be sure that the unit is turned off and unplugged prior to performing any preventative maintenance. Disconnect the fans by removing the electrical tape and unplugging the connectors. Now the fan pans may be removed. In order to remove the fan pans, lift up on the front first, then slide them away from the unit. Now you should be able to see the drain. Please clean all debris on the pan connected to the drain, then remove the drain plate. Now, using a long, narrow brush, clean the interior of the drain by snaking the brush through it. Once the drain has been cleaned, please reassemble the unit in the reverse order you took it apart in. Be sure to re-tape the fan connectors. Now we must clean the condensate pan, which the drain empties into. Remember, this should be done every single time the drain is cleaned. In order to access the condensate pan, please remove the lower left panel using a 5/16 wrench or nut driver. Please note that in some models, the condensate pan may be located elsewhere. Please also note that if your unit has a complete wood wrap, some of the wood must be removed. Please remove all debris from the condensate pan. Any debris left will cause a foul odor or cause the pan to fail. Use a flashlight to be sure that all debris has been removed from the dark area. Be sure not to damage the condensate pan float. Once all debris is removed, ensure that the float is free moving by sliding it gently up and down. Once the condensate pan has been cleaned, replace the panel covering the condensate pan and replace the wood wrap if necessary. In order to keep your unit looking clean and new, follow these next suggestions. To clean the inside of your unit, wipe it down using a solvent-free multi-purpose cleaner. To clean the plexiglass around the unit, wipe it down using a solvent and ammonia-free multi-purpose cleaner. Make sure there is no product blocking the lower or upper airways. By following these simple preventative maintenance procedures, your unit should always be running correctly. If you have any further questions or concerns, contact the Refrigeration Technical Service Line at 1-844-454-1948. Thank you for choosing JSI Store Fixtures, and good luck with your new refrigerated unit.